Okay, this is a 1984 Corvette with the crossfire injection. I had the unfortunate of blowing the main fuse, which is behind the battery here somewhere. And I've looked all over the place, Can't find it. But I'll show you what the results are. If you take a tester, very simple. All right. Can you see the tester? Oh, yeah, you can see the tester perfectly. If you take the tester, put the negative lead on the positive side of the battery. Put the other lead on the alternator. All right. Now I'll turn the key. There you go. You get 12 volt across it. And your dash, everything is off. Nothing works. The car won't start. Nothing works. Nothing works. That means there's a fusible link between the battery and the alternator that brings power everywhere else. Okay? And I can't seem to find it anywhere. I've taken the battery out. I can't seem to find that fusible link anywhere. If you Google it, the schematics will show you it's in this section here. Good luck. Good luck. Take a jumper from the positive, jump it to the alternator. Voila. Everything comes online. So in doing so, instead of looking for that fusible link, that if it ever blows again, that I was stuck on the side of the road with this, and I had to call the CAA to come tow me back home. Annoying when you think your car is reliable and suddenly you got to call the CAA to bring you back home. Anyways, in doing so, I figured out a way how to jump it. But now I'm not going to jump it with a direct wire, because if something were to happen again, yeah, the wire's going to flambe. Something's going to go wrong really bad, real quickly. So I'm going to put a 100 amp circuit breaker on it with a number 6 wire, very short, so I'll be able to handle it. And I'm going to screw it to near the firewall, so next time something were to happen, I know exactly where to look and put it back online. I'm going to screw it on. It's no use watching me trying to screw the damn thing on and, you know, swearing a few different words that you probably don't understand in Italian, trying to put it on there. And I'll show you what it looks like after. All right, I'm back. Took a few seconds for you guys, but half an hour for me. Yeah, there you go. So this thing, there's nowhere you could put it on the firewall or anything. This thing's plastic everywhere. It's ridiculous. Plastic everywhere. So I ended up putting it on the bracket of the, what's it called, this pump here. Here's the cruise control. Yeah, she's nice and steady. And pass the wire directly to the battery. You see that? Follow it. And the other wire goes to the alternator. This will make a jump between the link. So if your fusible link is blown somewhere, don't look any further. I took out the battery. I looked everywhere. And for some reason, I couldn't find it anywhere. Couldn't find it anywhere. Even on Google, I Googled it, and a friend of mine came over, a mechanic, and we couldn't find this damn thing anywhere. At the end, I guess I just sort of got fed up. I said, forget it. I'm just going to jump the wire there to the alternator. It'll bring power everywhere else. And I don't know if you could hear carefully. The minute I put it on, you'll hear everything go on. That's it. Everything's on in case of emergency. And you could even use it as an alarm, I guess. No one could ever start your car. You know, they have to, they won't know that, how your power is being cut. So it's the perfect alarm. But yeah, in case you're on the side of the road like me and the main fusible link somehow blows for some reason, you got to get the damn car towed. Instead, if it ever blows again, well, you got a circuit breaker, you get out of the car, that's it, just put it back on. That's it. Well, that's another thing for the 1984 convertible Corvette. I guess these things have all kinds of little gimmicks. You know, you see all kinds of little gimmicks. By the way, this is the 84 convertible. This is the 1984 convertible Corvette. So, yeah, that's another little gremlin that I have to fix. I guess these things, through the ages, they rust and whatnot. They build up some, you know, corrosion between the wires, and eventually it works. It doesn't. It works. It doesn't. You start having problems with your alternating charging, and then all the power goes off. Maybe it overheats. The fusible link overheats, and that's it. It's gone. So that's it. That's another episode. So you guys, I don't know, do whatever you could. Press like, and you know, and every once in a while I'll put an extra one online. Take care.